Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to add liquidity to a already established pool on Uniswap. Alrighty, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the required amounts or the required tokens already purchased and set into your wallet. For the sake of this video, we're going to be using ETH USDT. Alrighty, so once you have those two, you can click the trade button to get to the main menu, or you can click the add liquidity. I just wanted to click the trade button so that way you can see that there is an option at the top here to click on pool to get to that area. Right. So once you do that, you'll click on add liquidity, and you can go ahead and set up your pair. So the first piece will be ETH, and the second piece will be USDT. Right. So once you do that, it'll show you the balance that you have on each pair, and from there you're going to want to go ahead and set how much you want to set into the pool. By putting an amount in either one of the slots, it'll automatically try to balance it on the other end. So if I put 7,000 USDT, it'll show me the equivalent for the pair is going to be 3.82 ETH. Now if I was to do it the other way and put for ETH, it'll do the same and do the opposite balancing for me on the USDT pair. Alrighty, so for this, I would like to go ahead and max out my USDT and click supply. Once you click supply, it's going to ask you to confirm. It's letting you know how much the ETH cost at the time and how many USDT will be paired up at the time, and also the share of the pool overall. Right. So you'll go ahead and click supply. And once you click supply, you're going to have to confirm. Just a second. Alrighty, and we will confirm that we're doing that. Let's speed that up just a bit. And we'll click confirm. And we wait for that we submit it and wait for that to confirm on the blockchain. Once that's been submitted and confirmed, you'll notice that the USDT and ETH have been debited from the primary account. And at the bottom, you'll see that you have a new position set up with your ETH USDT pool position. From there, you can actually click back and manage this position and see the overall position sizing, how it's been rebalanced. And if you click on view accrued fees, you can actually see how much you've earned thus far from having that LP token set up. All right, so hold on, let's see here. Here we have the ETH USDT, and you can see that the liquidity added and the fees accumulated. So this isn't what I've made from in the short time that I've created this LP token. It's actually pulling from some of the LP gains that I've made on this pair in the past already. So that's all you need to go ahead and set up your ETH USDT LP token, and that'll be the first step in a lot of the farming that you may do in the future. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below, and if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe and hit like. Thank you.